Hey folks, today we've got 5 uses for a lighted pick, which is an interesting little hygienic tool. See the link below for more details. And just a reminder, if you do use one of these for a variety of purposes, make sure you sterilize and wash it between uses. Here we go. Tonsil stone removal. Tonsil stones are calcified chunks of dead bacteria, skin cells, and other debris lodged in the tonsils. The shape of the pick helps scoop them out without damaging the skin, and the light helps you see what you're doing and frees up an extra hand. Cleaning out the belly button or navel. There are such thing as navel stones, as you can see here. Hopefully with regular skin maintenance you don't let your belly button get to this point, and just use your pick to clean out the occasional bit of lint instead of using your fingernails. Examining the inside of your nose. You could use it to scoop out minor debris, or use it to help see the inside of your nose to make grooming easier. Earwax removal. This is one of the uses these picks were specifically made for. The rounded and curved shape helps pull earwax out as opposed to pushing it in, which can happen with cotton swabs. And the light helps you see what you're doing. And lastly, this one's a bit more rare, so I don't know if anyone's actually tried it. But this here is a dilated pore of Weiner. Think of it as a blackhead gone wrong. Many times these are removed with a comedone extractor, seen here, but it might be possible to manipulate and squeeze out the contents with one of these. What do you think? Comment below, or if you think we left out any other uses, leave those in the comments too. Thanks for watching. If you want to get one of these interesting little picks, check out the Amazon link below. You can pick one up for yourself or for somebody as a gift. And thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button, and we'll see you next time.